Hi everybody, Debbie Starr here. Wanted to show you a quick little tip that's going to help you. One, you'll be able to shrink your PDFs super easily and it's free. So I wanted to show you this cool little tool called SmallPDF. And if you don't have the full Adobe program, this tool gives you a lot of neat little tips here. So you'll see there's all these different things you can do here. You could change a JPEG to a PDF, Excel to PDF, I don't know, split your PDFs, merge them, all kinds of things. But what I want to show you today is this option here to compress your PDF. So if you're creating those beautiful ebooks and they have all of those just wonderful looking images, when you first have that PDF created, it's a pretty fat file. Well, what does that mean? It means that the downloading takes more time. So if you have it on your website or if somebody clicks on it, it takes longer to load. So by using this site here, you can compress that PDF, and it really does a nice job. So I'm just going to demonstrate it. But before I jump into showing you that, I want to show you one extra thing to pay attention to. They offer a free 14-day trial. Don't sign up for the trial. The reason I'm saying that is if you sign up for this, then after the 14 days, they want to convert you so that you have to pay money. You can use this site free without ever signing up, and you get I think it's two per day, which for the small entrepreneur business owner, that should be enough for you. So don't sign up for the trial, just use it for free. So let me just show you how this works. So I'm going to click on the compress the PDF, and then you just simply choose the file that you want. So I'm going to choose it from let me move this out of the way. I'll just select the file that I want, and then it will be uploading it here. So depending on how big the file is, and I think this file that I had, let me just open up, let me move this out of the way. This was a pretty heavy file. Let me just double check here, but I think it is 13.8 megabytes. So, or here it says 13.2. So that's a pretty hefty file. So it will shrink it down by 40%. Or I could even use the Pro if I wanted to sign up for this, and it would shrink it down even more. So I'm just going to do the basic compression, and then it just starts compressing the file. And then here it is. And look, it says it actually shrank this 97.93%. So that's awesome. And then I can just download the file. And one thing that I like to mention is when I save my compressed files, say something like compressed at the end, and then it just helps you remember which file, your original file or not. And then if I open this up, here's that compressed file, and you can see the resolution, everything is still really good. So how's that for an awesome, quick little tip? And again, it's the PDF little tool here called SmallPDF.